Today, we will discuss Edison Mail and Spark. Both apps are developed with a significant focus on mobile usability, delivering intuitive interfaces for iOS and Android smartphones. Both provide their option to simplify email management by combining several email accounts into a single unified inbox. Now, let's examine the main features of these two platforms. A simplified and effective personal email experience is emphasized by Edison Mail. Its purpose is to assist customers in managing several email accounts within a single inbox. Edison Mail strives to deliver a quick and dependable email experience while placing a high priority on customer privacy. Additionally, it provides tools to disable email tracking pixels. Edison Mail excels at combining numerous email accounts into a single, user-friendly inbox. Spark, with features like shared inboxes, drafts, and comments, Spark is a great tool for team-based email management. Its goal is to make collaborative email workflows more efficient. The smart inbox that Spark utilizes to automatically classify emails helps users prioritize the most critical communications. It also features email writing capabilities driven by AI. Spark's user interface is renowned for being clear, contemporary, and easy to use. All in all, both apps provide free versions as well as premium memberships with more functionality. Checking each app's current pricing models is crucial because they are subject to change. While privacy is a feature of both programs, Edison Mail emphasizes it, though Spark places more of an emphasis on AI assisted email creation. Both make use of clever features.